Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sorghum, and I have a list of specific foods in different categories that are known to pair well with sorghum. So if you're new to using it, hopefully this will give you some good ideas on ways to include sorghum in meals or menus or recipes that you've got going. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, sorghum goes well with beans in general, edamame, eggs, legumes in general, lentils, meats, nuts in general, peas, pine nuts, poultry, seafood, sesame seeds, tahini, tofu, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, sorghum goes well with bell peppers, broccoli, broccoli rabe, cabbage, carrots, chives, cucumbers, eggplant, fennel, garlic, ginger, kale, leafy greens in general, mushrooms, onions, scallions, spinach, sprouts, for instance, bean or pea sprouts, squash, winter and summer squash, tomatoes, and vegetables in general. In the fruits category, sorghum goes well with avocados, coconut, dried fruit in general, lemons, limes, oranges, pineapple, pumpkin, and raisins. In the grains and grain products category, sorghum does pair well with other grains in general. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, sorghum pairs well with cheese, for instance, feta cheese or Parmesan cheese, coconut milk, cream, milk, and yogurt. In the other foods category, sorghum pairs well with mirin, miso, oil, especially olive oil and sesame oil, sea vegetables, soy sauce, stock, vanilla, and vinegar, especially rice vinegar. I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Take care and bye for now.